sometimes like they'll just be like, and I'm like, hi Vogue, I'm Lana Condor. Watch me create my signature eyeliner look. This look is inspired by a look that I did for a film called Patriots Day. Clean, simple, beautiful, and then just this bold emerald eye, and it was super cool. I wanna enhance my base, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. It's always fun to look a little like you're blushing. It's cute, I don't know. My face eats blush, so I really kind of go in, but throughout the day, it'll soften. I'll take like a highlighter brush. This is not a bronzer brush, it's not correct. I'll just like literally put like a little and down my nose. And then I'm just gonna go over with a sponge. We can use a little bit of highlighter, just kind of like brighten up the eyes and make everything look really fresh. I'm gonna first apply it to my cheekbones. It's gonna look awesome. I promise, just wait. I personally love to put a little highlighter on the like tip of my nose, mainly because I think it like accentuates my button nose. It used to be an insecurity of mine. You know, just embracing myself. Okay, let's go a little into the eye. So I'm literally using the same brush, and I'm just gonna use the same bronzer and put it in my crease to highlight a little bit more of a bridge. I'm gonna just bring it down a little. On the center of my eye, I'm really just gonna use a light skin tone shadow. The reason I'm using more of matte looking colors is I really wanna make sure that it's just the eyeliner that stands out and everything else is just clean. We're getting there, people. I'm gonna do the eyeliner now, so I wanna put my hair back so I don't get flustered and sidetracked and confused. Ooh, who is she? Okay, cool. Let's do the brows first. I just focus on bringing the hairs upwards to kind of like open up my expression a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyeliner, and I wanna be really specific and careful. Sometimes with super pigmented pencils like this, it can be a little patchy, but I'll blend it together using this guy. When you are doing a bold eyeliner like this, less is not more in this situation. Be bold, commit. You're either gonna go big or go home. We're going big. So we're just gonna add a little bit more, like a chic pirate. I'm really getting like pirate vibes. I'm really digging myself right now. Now, we center ourselves and we finish the look. The last part of the eye look is just a dash of mascara. I don't wanna go crazy. I just want a little extra oomph. Keeps it fluffy, keeps it fun. Let's do our lips. I want really kind of a nude lip, so I'm just gonna use a liner. Because I am trying to keep everything else more subtle, I'm gonna round out the top of my lip a little, and I'm gonna just go like this on the Cupid's bow. And then I'll just take my finger and just buff it out a little. I'm gonna put a little highlighter, like literally the smallest bit in the corners of my eyes. People don't need to know it's there, but it's really just for you. I look like, bam, where's the treasure? I should not commit to this bit. Okay, a little bit of moisture, and then we're gonna call it a day. Go in, make sure it doesn't look like you're weeping. It really is a fun look. This look is really bringing out my personality. Give it a whirl, and you might find that a pirate's life is for you. Oh, Lana, no. Hi Vogue, I'm Lana Condor. To watch more videos, subscribe here.